Show. We're having a big day. We got this lot full of show cars. We got muscle cars. We got prototype Audis. We got guys selling food. We're raffling a Maserati. We're having a big time. We got lots of people out here enjoying live music. First car show, and it gets bigger from here.
Live music. I mean, I tell you what.
We are Prodigy.
Pastor Charlie, welcome to the community church and our first initial inaugural car show.
Car show.
It's a great car show.
2010.
2010.
September.
Our first one.
What's this you got here behind you?
This is my RX-8 R3 track car. It's built especially for tracking, like at Summit Point in our Virginia International Raceway. It's got a special tuned suspension, carbon fiber trim to lighten the weight, Recaro racing seats, a lot of good stuff for guys that like to go to the track on Saturday and drive their car.
What's the coolest thing about it?
I would say the carbon fiber hood. That hood weighs 6 pounds as opposed to the regular hood that weighs 30. It just gives an example of how you lighten a car because every pound makes a huge difference.
Yeah. Cool.